All right, you guys have already started working on the careers project that's in your fourth marking period folder. It says careers in technology. You've already done some of these assignments. These are tutorials that we shot on how to do the What Career is Right for Me, the Texas Cares Career Check, and how to turn that stuff in. So there's some other video tutorials here that you can look at if you are confused as to what to do. The What Career is Right for Me link is here. The Texas Cares Career Check is here, and this is where you turn each one of those in. This one says using the email you received from the What Career is Right for Me, copy the text of the entire email and paste it into the text box after you click Write Submission. If for some reason your email does not arrive, you can just copy the results that they give you on the screen there. The Texas Cares Career Check, you'll be attaching more than one file to this one. Remember, you need to attach the PDF. When you finish your profile, it asks you, do you want to download your PDF results? You tell it yes, and you download those, and you keep that file. You'll attach that to this, and you take snips of the jobs that they give you. Because there's no way to save that part of your profile, only the other part of it. Attach all of your snips, make sure you attach the PDF. Part 1 of this assignment was this one right here, Careers Project Part 1. Using the information from your 2 career profiles, brainstorm a long list of jobs you might be interested in doing or careers you are interested in learning about. List as many as you can. Choose 3 that you're going to research for your project. One of those needs to be related to, for dollars and cents. One of those should be related to finance or money management. For interpersonal studies, one of those needs to be related to Department of Human Services or things like that. And for DIM, one of them needs to be related to technology. The careers project description is right here. I uploaded that for you guys yesterday. You just click on it and open it. Alright, it says, on this expedition you will be searching for careers that interest you. One of the careers must be technology related. That's more aimed at DIM. I would like for you to pick a technology related course or a career in here as well, but you don't have to. You will need to create your journey by searching for appropriate websites. After you collect the necessary information, you will use it to create a Prezi or PowerPoint that is both informative and that uses principles of design and layout. You can still be creative, but you must make it appealing to watch and clear in its purpose of presenting these careers. You don't want, it's great when you add a bunch of extra things, but you don't want so many bells and whistles in there that people forget what you're trying to present to them. If you would rather create an audio-video project, you are welcome to do so. If you enjoy doing the audio-video stuff and that's what you want to do and you want to record a video, that's fine if you don't want to make the presentation. Let's see. Remember to cite your websites as sources on your presentation or video. Whether you do a PowerPoint, Prezi, or you create a video, you have to cite your sources. That means whatever websites you go to get information, you need to copy and paste the URL. For example, right here, this would be a URL. This is the web address. That's what you would use. You would copy and you would paste that. You can put that on this document. You can download it, enable editing, and then you can just make your list of sources maybe down here at the bottom. You could just do this, and then you can sources to cite or whatever you want to call it, and then you just paste those things down there. That way you have a list of them. That makes it easy for you to go back to it if you need to get more information, and it also tells you where you got your information from. And I'm going to teach you how to use something called Citation Machine to create those citations, and all you have to have is a URL to do that with. Let's see. Copy and paste the links into this document after you save it so that you can access the sites as you need them and use them for references. You should collect your information first. Before you even start putting this project together, get your information first. This will take you 1 to 2 class periods. After you've collected the information, you will need 2 to 3 class periods to create your presentation. I'm going to make this one due, this particular project is going to be due on Valentine's Day. It's going to be due next Wednesday. There you go. Let's see. Some of you will be asked to present, have fun, and be creative. All right, now it gives you a list of steps right here to do. And if you've been keeping up in class and you've been here, then you should have already done these things right here, but I'll go through them with you anyway. You're going to do the What Career is Right for Me profiler and send that copy to yourself and turn that in on Blackboard. You're going to do the Texas Cares Interest profiler. And again, all that stuff, you have links on Blackboard. Download your PDF and take a snip of the careers. Using the information from your 2 career profiles, brainstorm a long list of jobs. You should have already done that as well and chosen 3 that you want to research. Let's see. Right here. This gives you a list of the things that you have to present about each career. We need the title of the career, at least 1 graphic for each career presented. A graphic is an image or a picture or something like that. The job description or the nature of work. Tell me what that job is like. What kind of things would you do? The type of education required. Is it an associate's degree, a bachelor's degree? Do you need a master's or a PhD in order to excel in that career? Is it an apprenticeship or something like that? What kind of education do you have to get for that? And then the approximate amount of time to achieve those education requirements. Becoming something in the technical field, you can do that sometimes in a couple of years. But if you want to be a doctor or a lawyer, that can take 8 years or more. So you have to, weigh the amount of time that it takes to become that. Let's see, the salary or pay expectations for that career. What type of salaries are people receiving for that right now? What types of technology will be useful in the career? I guarantee you that every career out there, you can find a way to use technology in it. Let's say that you really enjoy landscaping or gardening, or you want to have a lawn service of some kind because you enjoy working outside and working with plants and things like that. You might not think that's technology related, but you have tons of tech tools that you can use in there. For example, you can advertise your business on social media. You can manage your accounts using different types of things like QuickBooks or things like that to manage your finances and estimates and things like that. Let's say you want to design a landscape. Let's say you have a client, a business, or a really wealthy client or something, and they want their yard landscaped, but they want to know what your plan is before they buy into it. There's what's called CAD, or computer-aided design software, where you could design their whole landscape on the computer and show them, we're going to put these kinds of plants here, we're going to put these trees here, and show them what it would look like and move those things around. And then it will even tie in with making an estimate. Well, here's what these trees will cost, and we're going to need 5 of those. Here's what these rose bushes will cost, or whatever. And it will create not only the design that you can show them, but an estimate. And that's using technology. And that's you using your abilities and your passions for designing a pretty yard outside, but you're still using technology to help you do it. The last thing you have to have is 2 to 5 sentences that describe why you are interested in that career. What is appealing to you about that kind of work? And 2 to 5 sentences. Remember, a sentence has a capital letter, a period at the end, a noun, and a verb. Complete sentences. Write it like a paragraph. Okay? At this point, before we move on, are there any questions about what's required for this project? Now, I know that not all of you know how to use Prezi, but there's some videos that we already have posted that'll show you, and we'll take a look at those together as well. All right, but everybody understands what to do with the project? All right, and it's going to be due next Wednesday, the 14th. All right, hang on, let me stop this video.